Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Tisia and you're tuned into BIO with Thysiamore. Today I'm pretty excited. We are going to be looking at 5 Pamper DIY routine spa that you can adopt at home. You guys all know it's summer, right? And I know you must be saying, oh, I need to go to the spa, oh, I need to have a manicure, oh, I need to do my facials and all that good stuff. Well, today I'm going to teach you 5 things you can do at home without leaving your home to the spa. I mean, this works very well and they're pretty affordable, super easy to do at the comfort of your home without going to the spa. You know, you can save some coins. That's good, right? I mean, why not save some coins, by the way? Okay, so I'm getting really excited. Without any further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1 routine is cleansing. Now, I cannot overemphasize how cleansing is very important. You guys know that I say this in almost all my skincare video that it is important to cleanse your skin. Okay, cleanse your skin with a cleanser. A cleanser works better than just using soap. You know, it really goes in and cleanses the impurities. So cleanse your face. Number 2 spa routine is facial steam. Now, if there's any skin routine that helps to really cleanse the pores, hydrate the skin, and makes blood flow around the face to reduce pimples and all that impurities, it is facial steam. The heat that goes into the face helps to really hydrate the skin, moisturize it, cleanses the impurities from the pores, and leaves the overall skin glowing. Number 3 spa routine is facial mask. Using facial masks is really very important, whether they are natural facial masks or they are the ones made by Neutrogena or other famous brand out there. Facial masks are very important. I do have a detailed video on 5 hydrating and moisturizing facial masks, DIY facial masks actually, that you can make at home without breaking the bank. I'll leave a link up here so you guys can check it out. But facial masks are really very important and it's a great spa routine to do at home. The first DIY spa routine at home is a facial peel. Now, it's very important to use a facial peel which helps to really exfoliate dead skin out of the skin cells. You guys know the most used facial peel these days is the ordinary AHA and BHA. That product is really good. I'm sure to do a review in the future, but if you cannot lay your hands on that product, then by all means squash in some aspirin, about 3 uncoated aspirin. Mix that with some unflavored gelatin, some grape juice and some eggs, and apply it on your face. It's going to do a really great job as a peel. Last spa routine on our list today is microdermabrasion, also known as Microderm. Now, this is something that is usually done in the spa, but thankfully there are some brands there that have made handheld microderm machines that you can use at home. So this is a machine that just helps sucks off all those white heads, blackheads, helps prevent the skin from getting wrinkles, just takes off pimple, pores and a lot of stuff, and it just helps smoothen the skin overall. So definitely you guys can try using a microderm machine, or if you cannot lay your hands on a micro machine, then get some baking soda, get you some salt, and just scrub it, and it's going to really do a great job. So you guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do have some skincare videos. You guys check out my channel. Be sure to leave me a like and comment in the comment section. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification so you never miss it when I post a new video. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. To see you in my next video, be sure to leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see in the future on this channel, and I got your back. And that's a bye from me, you guys. See you in my next video. My name is Thysiamore and I'm the creative director of Thysiamore Empire.